In this video, I'm going to show you how to share your Outlook calendar. The first step is to log into your Outlook account. Once you're in, navigate to the Calendar section, which is located on the left side of your screen. Click on it to access your Outlook calendar. Once you're in the calendar view, look at the top of the page for a series of options. Next to the Filter button, you should see a Share button. Click on this Share option and a new window will appear asking you to enter the email address of the person with whom you want to share your calendar. After entering the email address, you will need to select the permissions you wish to give them. You have the option to either let them view all details of your calendar, which means they can see your events, times, and locations, but can't make any changes. If you want the other person to make changes to your calendar, such as adding, editing, or deleting events, choose the Can Edit option. Once you've chosen the appropriate permission level, simply click Share. This will send an email to the person you've shared your calendar with, notifying them of your calendar share.